Hi guys! This is Sumba Mama. Dumating na ang aking package from the Philippines. So mag-unboxing na tayo. This products is Artopia products to. Excited na ako. So open ko na yung aking package. Ayan ako na muna. Tripod ko siya. Okay. Andiyan na kayo. Antayin lang. Excited! Stop it! Excited na ba kayo? Excited na rin ako. Ooh, wow! It's a stem cell soap. Got the soap. 3. Kapit! Yung background ko! 4. 5. 7. 8, 9, 10 soaps. And I've got the coffee here. The green coffee, slimming coffee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then okay, nakikisyoso ka dito. Takot siya. Ay! Bumagsak! Sorry! Here is my toner, the stem cell toner, and then another toner, stem cell toner, 10. Toner rin. Facial wash. This is a facial wash. Another facial wash. And then this Artopia company, CEO niya si Terence Romeo, the basketball player sa atin, PBA. Here is the hair grower. This is the hair grower shampoo. And then this is also the hair grower shampoo. And then wala yung mask pa. see, this is Ethiopian serum. This is the stem cell serum. You just apply a tiny bit. Okay? I've got 4 of the stem cell. Oh, 5 of the stem cell serum. Okay, guys. That's about it. I'm ready to drink my coffee and try the products. Bye. Hope you enjoy my vlog, and then I'll share with you yung before and after yung aking journey sa Slimming Coffee. Okay? Bye.